everyone, welcome to our next lost items picture. We have a very cute heart covered book of some sort, presumably diary journal, I'm guessing, that sort of thing. I'm going to start actually by colouring the hearts. I think they look so cute. I'm going to use a number, this one, we haven't used this for ages, number 25. This is the, I'm just looking for the name, it's pink. 25, it's just the pink. So I'm going to colour all of the hearts in this pink just to get us going. It's a rather sweet little book. Hope everyone's well. Oh, just heard a little bird outside tweeting. We might hear less birds soon. My neighbour's been talking about cutting down the tree that we can see from the window. Now, it has pros and cons, but sadly far more cons than pros. Obviously trees, very good for the environment. The pigeons nest in this one, I can hear and see the birds in it. However, it takes all of the light from our house. It is as tall as the house and very close to our house because our garden is very small. And taking it down would create so much light. And the neighbour finds it takes all her light too. And we are thinking of putting a little bit more greenery in our garden at some point. So I think that's the bottom of a heart too there, look. So we could make up for it. But having talked to my neighbour, we're now going to wait to do anything much with our garden until the tree comes down. This is 21, which is light rose. I'm going to use this for the background. I want the hearts to sort of stand out. Yeah, so we might not hear the birds, but I hear things like moorhens, which are on the canal, which are, you know, quite another garden across from here. So I'm sure we'll still hear them. And it will have great benefits to us. Now the paper is always tricky to know what colour. What colour do you colour paper? What I'm going to do actually is grab the 20, which is, excuse me, magenta. Oh dear. And make it really, really light magenta. So I'm really only just massaging the page with the pencil. I just want it to look like I've made a bit of an effort to colour it and not just leave it white. But I don't want to do anything much. I've left this bottom one because I think that's going to be the same colour as the top cover. So we'll go back to the 21, the light rose, and just do this edge. I don't know if it'll look that different to the magenta pages anyway. I can do that bit too. There we go. Now we have pieces of paper sticking out, and I'm thinking if this was my book I would want paper that sort of matched, but maybe I'm a bit too, I don't know, fussy. But anyway, I'm going to start with 23, which is our Bordeaux, and do this piece. Now this looks like a bookmark, but I don't think either of these two pieces at the top of it because they don't look the right thickness. So although I'm going to colour this in Bordeaux, I'm not going to colour those in it. There we go. Not too, quite gentle. I'm going to use 61 for the next one, and one of these two. Maybe the top one, like that, and then I think we'll do the others in, we do a mauve, number 260 for this one. Again, keeping it gentle. I like these, keeping it subtle because that's how I started really, like that. And then we're going to have to go into purple, so the 62, which is the lavender, I'll pop up here And I'm also going to do the sticky tape in the lavender. And then this piece we'll do in the violet, which is number 6. Now the paper, where it's closer to the book, it might be a little darker or more shadowy, so you could make the colour a little more intense there. I think I'm just going to draw my shadows in with a grey in just a minute. The piece of paper pinned on the front, I am going to do in 23 the Bordeaux. I'm going to try and keep it really light because it's quite an intense colour if you push down. You might want it darker. I like it light. There we go. And now I'm going to grab actually a black, where is it? Here it is, the number 9, to do a little bit of shadowing. I don't do this on all of them, but between there and there, between here and here, and just around the edges of this. I think just on 2 sides, there and there. Yeah, I'm not going to do any more, or else it's going to end up looking black and dirty. I think that's enough to give the impression. Now the pink looks very, very pale on the camera, on the main part of the book, on the cover. I mean, it's there, it's not white, but I did want it quite pale. But to my eye, in the natural light, not on the camera, you can see that there's some pink there. But that's us for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a lovely day, and tune in tomorrow, same time tomorrow, for the next one, which is a shopping bag. So we'll see what we're going to do with that one. But for now, thank you so much and happy colouring.